Welcome back to my channel SAP PPQM. So I will give enter. So you can see there is plan order is available for the final product. And if we check for SFG, enter, you can see, okay. So you can see one quantity is available for semi-finish and that one quantity is required for final product, the dependent required. So there are two type of requirements are there, guys. One is dependent, one is independent. So dependent means, like as I say, that whenever we create any material, inside that material there are many sub assemblies are there. So in that case we are check that whether it is dependent or not. Okay, so in that way. And one more is collective orders. Okay, there are three types. One is dependent, independent and collective. So dependent means this this semi-finished is dependent on final product. So that is why the requirement quantities get updated in semi-finished product only. So now I need to convert the plan order to production order for this final product. Okay, so previously I showed that in CO40 how we can convert the plan order to production order. Now in MD04 only I will show you how to convert the plan order to production order. So double click here, you can get this pop-up screen. So you can see here production order, convert plan order to production order, and we can see one more button, convert plan order to production order partial quantity. So if we have 10 quantities, okay, suppose I want to convert only one quantity, in that case you need to use this partial quantity. Okay, partial quantity. Suppose if you have only one quantity, so I will use this production order, convert plan order to production order. Continue. I will check this one. Okay, now you can see the order state is created, and if we check there is one FG operation. Okay, FG part assembly. And if I go to component, you can see SFG metal is available, and I will give the storage location. This storage location we can update in metal level also. Okay, suppose if I double click here, it will open the metal master screen. So here in MRP2 view, the if you update here, then you no need to enter manual in production order change mode. So if you I have not mentioned any production storage location, that is the reason I have updated in order level only. So if I go back, so if come back, so that is the reason I have updated. Okay, and remaining, like you can check that MRP controller, all the data are updated or not, like the stock type is unrestricted use and controlling data, these are the controlling datas. Okay, and quantity data, plan order quantity and production order quantity, these are the master data, like which routing is used, which bomb is used. Okay, what is the bomb usage, alternative bomb, all the things you can see here. Now once the we can check metal availability also. So if I click on here, then it will check whether the metal availability is available or not. Okay, so first I need to release the order. So release is carried out. Now I want to check metal availability. Okay, for this metal the SFG is the component, sub component. So I need to check whether the sub component is available or not. In that case I need to give, click continue. Okay, here we are getting error. I think we need to save the order. So once the order is saved, then material availability check will consider in background also. So now it is showing as a plan order. Now if I click on refresh, the plan order number is generated. So what I will do, so CO02 is a T code to change anything. Okay, in the order level, enter. So you can see now if I click on material availability check, continue. Okay, if we want to check what is that error it is showing, I will check logs, overview. So okay, there is no checking group is maintained, that is the reason it is giving this error. No problem. Okay, so the checking scope of check is not updated to this. It is something configuration part, so I will explain it later. Okay, no problem. So now the order get released. Now what we need to do, we need to do confirmation. Okay, so confirmation. Now this time what I will do, I will do confirmation for order header level. Okay, so order header level, how we can do is CO15 is a T code to do the confirmation for order header level. So before that what I will do, I will goods issue the SFG to final product. Okay, goods issue order execute. So you can see the material SFG material is appeared whenever we do. So initially raw material is goods issued for semi-finish. Now semi-finished is goods issuing for finished product. So 261 is movement to goods issue, and click on item. OK, click on check button. Everything is OK. Now post the document. So once the document is, previously the document is all zeros, number start with 4 and end with 0 only, but here already we have posted one more document. That is the reason the number is get updated, one number is updated. So now if we check the stock overview for SFG, refresh, you can see there is no stock is there for SFG. Now we need to confirm the order. So now I will do confirmation for order level, not on operation level. So CO15 is a T code, enter. So enter the order number. So the order number is this one, enter. So here we have given yield quantity as 1. Yield means the finished product. Okay, how much quantity yield we will provide for this final product. Okay, if we give 0 yield and we are giving confirmation, means then for order header level it will show as a minus quantity. So negative yield quantity will show, like here extra yield will be get updated, but we need to confirm only one quantity. So that is the reason I am giving yield as a one quantity. So I will give final confirmation because I am posting confirmation for order level. So once we click on save button, continue. Okay, go back. Okay, this was not get up. So we will do in CO11N. So I will give, I think there is some configuration part is missing. So that is the reason when we do confirmation, at that time we are receiving this error, like something like, I think KP26 is a T code. Controlling area we need to give 1000, version is 1, period 12, from period, okay, version is 0, from period is 1 and 12. Which activity type is it is giving error? 4230. 4230 and 1422. 1422, enter. Okay, continue. We need to give the price. This thing is part of FICO team. Okay, so here you can see these are the activity types which need to be updated. For the confirmation time, how much price should be get update in the month of January, February, and in that way the cost control is get updated. Okay, on this cost controlling tab the amount will get updated. So all this part is relevant to FICO. So I will save these changes. We will see whether the error get resolved or not. Okay, go back, continue, again back. No. Now if I go to check again, click on save, enter, continue. Now it is giving another error. So activity type is 42301421. 1421, continue, fixed price 100. Click on overview screen, save. Okay, now we will check again whether the error get resolved or not. Okay, I think okay. So now the error is get resolved. So you can see the confirmation get updated, and if you want to check in order level, now enter. So you can see the status get updated as CNF. Okay, so once the confirmation is done and once the goods issue is posted, now we need to perform goods receipt for this order. So to do goods receipt for this order, MIGO is a T code, and here in the drop down value we need to give goods receipt for order number. And I think this is the order number. Execute. So now we are doing goods receipt for final product. Okay, continue, item. Okay, now if I want to show you semi-finished product, there is a no stock. Okay, now when I do posting, check, enter the storage location. Okay, so I will give the storage location, continue. Okay, document is okay, continue to post. So you can see the material document get posted, and if I click on refresh, the one quantity get arrived. So finally we have the final product in our plant. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. So this is the one cycle to do the production execution. So after the stock is arrived, how the stock is given to customer, okay, how the sales order get created, so that thing I will explain in the next session. So there are some few T codes which we need to perform. Okay, so like we have, okay, we can so the max. So when I click I need any one extra session, it will show the error like maximum of sessions are reached. Okay, there are only 6 sessions we can open, like in one go you can open 6 SAP screen. So currently I have already opened like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that is the reason it is not getting opened. No problem, so I will use this one, use this screen. So we need to check the posting periods. Okay, where we can check whether the posting period get updated or not. In PV and MMRV is a T code to check the posting periods, whether the company, we need to give the company code and we need to give the financial year. Okay, now the period is second month. I will check whether this posting period get updated or not. Okay, so here you can see the posting period get updated. So in MMPV also you can check. Okay, sorry, in MMRV you can see. So current period is second period. Okay, so once the current period is closed, then we need to update the again to third month, 3rd of March. So this thing we need to check. And we have one T code where we can check material related part. Okay, in table level. So the T code is SC16N. So in SC16N, if you want to check the metals are created, okay, in MARA you can check. Okay, so I will give the date. Created on date is, I will give January. From January 2021 to today's date, how many materials are created. So in this month period, we have created these many materials. Okay, so I have created bike, electric bike FG, raw material SFG. Okay, you can see all the metal relevant data in this table, MARA table. So SC16N is a T code to check the table level entries. Suppose if you want to check order data, we have a T code for AUFNR. Sorry, AUFK is a T code to check the order master data. Suppose you want to check created on, so today's date we have created orders. So I will give this today's date, execute. So you can see this one is SFG and one is FG. So these data you can check in this table. So this is table level entry, guys. So we can check that one. And you want to check the bill of material rate, MAST is a T code to check the metal bomb link. Okay, so these are the tables. You will get many tables level. Okay, so in today's session we have learned about the production execution process. Okay, so in production execution process we have different steps. Like, so first step is so checking the order proposal. So, and we need to convert the PR to PO. So PR means purchase requisition. So purchase requisition to purchase order. How we can convert? Through T code ME21N. Okay. Once PO is converted, we need to perform the MIGO. Okay, so we need to perform the GR against the PO. So PO means purchase order. So where we can perform in T code MIGO. Now once we perform the GR for PO, then the stock will arrive. Stock will arrive. And where we can check the stock is arrived or not? In the T code MMB. Okay. So once the stock is arrived, we need to perform the production process. So production process like converting planned order to SFG, planned order to production order. T code is CO40, or in MD04 also we can convert the plan order to production order. So once we convert the plan order to production order, we need to release and we need to do confirmation. Okay. So once we converted the plan order to production order, we need to perform goods issue against the production order. SFG I will write in this way. Okay, you will don't get confused. We need to goods issue against the SFG order. What we are goods issuing? We are goods issuing the raw material. Goods issue raw material against the SFG production order. Okay, where we can do this process in T code mygo, and we need to select as a goods issue. So once goods issue is done, we need to perform confirmation for SFG order. The T code is CO11N for operation level. Okay, and if you want to perform on order level, then the T code is CO15. Okay, and once the confirmation is done, we need to do GR against the SFG production order. T code is mygo, and here we can see 101 movement type. So here while goods issuing, you can check the 261 movement type. Okay, and while performing goods receipt against purchase order also, you can check 101 movement type. MT means movement type, guys. Okay. So I will update as this like. Okay, so once GR against SFG production order. Okay, now check the stock in MMB. Check the SFG stock. Okay, stock in T code MMB. Okay, then again this is for SFG production process. So this is something different. Okay, and after getting the stock of SFG, we need to perform So we need to perform the FG production process. So how we can do? The same way, like I will copy these steps, I will paste here. Like what I will do, converting FG plan order to production order T code MD0 for, we need to perform goods issue for SFG material against the FG production order T code MIGO, and we need to perform the confirmation for FG order in T code, okay, and GR against FG production order, the T code is MIGO, and check the FG stock in MMP. So this is the steps, guys. Okay, so you will get errors like for when you perform first time, you will face the error like number ranges issue. So in that case, OMBT is a T code to update the number ranges. Number ranges issue for material documents. Okay, and posting periods we can check in. We check in T code, MMRB and MMPV, and some important tables also you can refer. Okay, like SC16N is a T code, to check the general table details. Okay, so in this T code we can check table like MARA, material data, MARC. This is for storage, material storage location, plant data. Okay, and some other different tables are there, but currently these are the enough. Okay, and for order details, AUFK is a table. Okay, so I hope you understand this process, guys. So in next session I will explain the how to create sales order, how to deliver this sales order to customer, all the process I will explain. So in today's session we have completed the production execution process. So thank you guys, thanks for watching SAP PPQM. So, and I will recommend you guys to, if you want to do the testing, you need to purchase a dump. Okay, so in that dump you can practice this session, all the things. Okay, okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye, have a nice day.